I toko ake te whakaaro I a mātou pakeke o Te Arawa kia whakatūria tētahi kapa taiohi rangatahi. The preparation has been tough. It has been long nights, tiring, but every group has their frustrations. It's normal.
Say kia ora ana to Zoe Hoff, po Vaka Takitumu, and Nukuroa Enua.
Kia ora ana, my name is Zoe Hoff. I was born and raised in Aotearoa and I am the current National Dancer of the Year for 2024. I learned to dance in New Zealand. It was my dad and my mum who taught me. We grew up in the culture, so I was learning from a very young age, and so it has been my ultimate passion and goal to move to Raro and to dance right here at the core of our culture. So I made that move at the start of this year. Ko te hunga tēnei o ngā kapa katoa o Te Arawa. Te wātuatahi kua hura I tētahi kapa rangatahi ki te haere ki tā wāhi. O tā mātou tūnga tuatahi I te whonei ki Te Maeva Nui.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Te Arawa Whitiki Taiwa.
I'm joining Takitumu for this year's Te Maeva Nui. The theme is the passage to your Vaka or your island or your village. It's been really tough, but I'm really proud of the team. We all understand each other, we all know what we're going through, the bonds that we have. He maringa nui tēnei runga anō I te kōwhiringa o a mātou pakeke o a mātou rōpū ki te taimai ki konei. Hei kaka katoa mātou ki te haere ki tētahi wāhi hou, ki tētahi wāhi wera. When I dance, I'm able to just be myself. Because I know I'm a very shy, quiet person, but my confidence is in my dancing. That's where I shine. I love making people see our culture through dance. I guess it shows how much I really enjoy the culture for making that huge sacrifice to come here, to leave all that I have in New Zealand. Yeah, that's how much dance means to me.